Hello guys, my name is Bino, and in this video we'll be determining the values of x for which the function f of x is equal to 1 over x to the power 4 minus 3x squared plus 2 is discontinuous. So this will be discontinuous when x to the power 4 minus 3x squared plus 2 is equal to 0, because we know that division by 0 is not allowed. There is a quadratic equation hidden inside x to the power 4 minus 3x squared plus 2. So we have to determine the quadratic equation which is inside this function. So we do that by letting a equal x squared. So we rewrite x to the power 4 as x squared raised to the power 2, because you know that x squared raised to the power 2 is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x squared plus 2 is equal to 0. So we are saying that we let a equal x squared. So where there is x squared, we will substitute a. So there is also x squared here, so we'll substitute a. So from here we solve for a, so we can see that now this is also a quadratic equation. So let's factorize in order for us to solve for a, and after solving for a we will solve for x. The factors of 2, the numbers that you can multiply in order to get 2, is only 2 and 1. Only 2 multiplied by 1 will give you 2. So this bigger number, we put it here. The smaller number, we put it there. And we only do this if there is no number before the a squared. So if there was a number before a squared, we were not going to use this method. So we take this sign which is here, we put it here. The sign that we'll put here, when we multiply it with this sign, it will give us that sign. So a negative multiplied by a negative is equal to positive. From here, we have to solve for a. So a minus 2 will be equal to 0, or a minus 1 will be equals to 0. So our a will be equals to 2, or a will be equals to 1. But remember that we said that we let a equal x squared. So in the place of this a, we will substitute back the x squared. So in the place of the a, we substitute x squared. In the place of that a, we also substitute x squared. We solve for x, so we have x squared is equal to 2. So in order for us to solve this x squared is equal to 2, what we have to do is introduce the square root both sides. Remember, what you do on the left, you also do on the right. But when we introduce the square root, we also have to introduce the plus or minus. The square root of x squared will be equal to x. So our x will be equal to plus or minus the square root of 2. Or, in this case, we also have to solve for x. We introduce the square root again. The square root of x squared is equal to x. And when you introduce the square root, you also have to introduce the plus or minus. So the square root of 1 is equal to 1, and that plus or minus. So our x will be equal to negative the square root of 2, or x is equal to the square root of 2, or x is equal to positive 1, or x is equal to negative 1.